Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Scorpio water sign. This is November mid-month reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Scorpio water sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? So under the deck, Page of Cups, Death. Maybe you're dealing with another Scorpio, the Fool, and King of Swords, and Four of Swords. I think lots of you are in no contact situation right now. Especially Scorpio, you are taking care of yourself. You are going through some transformation. You are healing here. Yes, you finally want to take the control of the situation here. And the Fool. So you want be in this energy going with the flow and living in the present moment, and you want to take leap of faith here. Yeah, you will go through some transformation, or you are going through some transformation right now, and for some it is one type of ending between you and your person. Someone is coming back with an apology here. Definitely with this could be your past person, and for some it could be a brand new person, but it is very small offer. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Two of Wands, Strength, and Six of Cups. Yeah, you are very strong person, but you thinking about them a lot. They are on your mind a lot. Maybe you have to make some choice, or you have to make some decision. In recent past, a lot of thinking is going. Yes, lot of thinking, but you are okay with their thoughts. Now you are not emotionally very dependent on them. Then present, King of Cups, Ten of Wands, and uh, Wheel of Fortune. So someone a brand new is entering in your life to offer their cup of love to you, but right now you're doing so many things. Maybe you have no time, you're feeling overburdened here, and things will eventually will are turning into your favor. Wheel of Fortune is here. Definitely things are turning into your favor, Scorpio. Then future, the Chariot, King of Wands, and Five of Wands. um, there is lot of drama is going, maybe they in your area of your life. Especially in your relationship, it is very slow moving, or for some there is no moment at all. But you are okay what is happening right now, because now you are very emotionally very strong person here. King of Wands energy. But there are some issues between you and your person, because Five of Wands, maybe one person have option, there is some competition here. The person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Leo. So Scorpio, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what is going between you and your person. Knight of Wands. This person is coming towards you with a lot of passion. Passion. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Let's see their intentions also. My God. Under the deck, three of cups, five of cups, page of wands, and two of wands. They also thinking about you a lot. I think you're both thinking about each other a lot, and they want to communicate with you because right now they're missing you a lot. And for some third party involved in this relationship, guys, Scorpio. So the current feelings: Ace of Pentacles, Nine of Wands, and Six of Wands. Yeah, definitely they want to be with you and they want to offer long term relationship, but there are some issues involved here right now. Maybe family is stopping them, maybe third person involved in this relationship. They want success in this connection, but their intentions: 10 of swords, 6 of swords, and 7 of swords. Someone is sneaky in this connection, or they did something wrong to you, or they have other person in their life. Yeah, still they want rebirth in this connection, but there are trust issues involved. Maybe you have some fears regarding this relationship or regarding this person. Seven of swords is here. Definitely something is sneaky in this connection, or this person is not trustworthy, but again they are trying to fix things with you. Maybe they want their person and you also for some. So six of swords, definitely communication is coming, so they want to fix things with you, but a lot of issues involved here. uh, Lots of you are in long distance relationship. So let's pull some cards from universe where this relationship is headed on. Yeah, your person is a stubborn or introvert, and the husband, maybe marriage is involved in this relationship, or you are maybe you're dealing with Taurus here. Definitely, for some marriage is involved, your person is already married. So the husband, trust issues, maybe commitment, stability issues. Yeah, King of Swords, they are being cold with you. That's why you have some fears regarding this relationship. Yeah, this is not a solid offer. They just uh, trying to getting your attention here. That's all. Yeah, you're stuck. You don't know which decision you have to make, uh, because you also have some feelings towards this person, but you're feeling stuck. Maybe for some it's more about physical than emotional here. There is, yeah, for some it is going to be ending, or it was already ended between you and your person. Page of Cups, but apology is coming. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person. Yeah, this connection is stuck. You are in a defensive mode. Yeah, they're feeling sad. They want brand new beginnings with you, but right now you want to take your power back and you are on your power. You have some trust issues. That's why you are not taking any decision right now. That's why you are protecting yourself. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Scorpio. You are pure perfection. I will never forget you, and true love. You are pure perfection. I will never forget you, and pure love are the messages. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you. Expect powerful change, new moon eclipse. Yeah, there will be some powerful changes coming, especially when new moon eclipse is going. Don't let pride get in your way, full moon in Leo. So don't show your attitude or pride to anyone. So under the deck, a time to give rather than take. A full new moon in Virgo. Maybe you're dealing with Virgo here. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.